In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit Shopify header. We will work inside the theme editor where you can update key header elements like your logo, navigation menu, layout, and colors. Take your time as you follow along because small header changes can have a big impact on how your store looks and feels. Start by going to your Shopify admin and finding your active theme. Next to that theme, click Customize. This opens the live theme editor and you will see your store preview on the right and a settings sidebar on the left. The preview updates as you make changes, which makes it easier to confirm everything looks correct before you publish anything. In the left-hand sidebar, click the section labeled Header. This is where you control most of the header options that shoppers see at the top of every page. To change the logo, move your attention to the gear icon, which is the theme settings area. Click the gear icon, then choose Logo. From here, you can update the logo used in your theme. As you adjust the logo, keep an eye on the preview to make sure it looks sharp and properly sized. A clean logo with enough spacing usually reads better across different screens. To change the menu, go back and click the header section again in the sidebar. Look for the menu setting. You will see options to change the menu or remove menu. Use Change if you want to swap to a different navigation menu. Use Remove menu if you want to temporarily hide it. After making the selection, confirm in the preview that your navigation links appear the way you expect. To change the layout, find the desktop logo position dropdown. Use it to move the logo to a new position, such as left or center. This is helpful when you want to balance the header with your navigation and icons. To change colors, look for the color scheme setting within the header block. Select the scheme that matches your brand and improves readability. Make sure there is enough contrast so text and icons stand out clearly. When you are happy with your updates, click Save. Saving is important because changes are not applied to your live theme until you do, and that covers everything you need to know.